I'm Jeff with JPR Leatherworks. If you're looking at this Valet Tray Kit and trying to decide which option is right for you, let me help and show you what's included in each kit. That way you can choose with confidence. All four options are built around the same core product, a full grain, vegetable tanned leathercraft tray. What changes is how much customization and hands-on work you want in the process. Every kit starts with the same foundation. With every kit, you get access to a full tutorial video where I'll guide you through the step-by-step build with complete details. Now, let me walk you through the differences between the kits. First is the core build kit. The core build kit focuses on dyeing, stitching, and assembling the tray. This is the best choice if this is your first leather project or if you want just a clean, classic finished tray without any tooling or stamping. Next is the carved design kit. The carved design kit includes everything in the core build kit and adds leather tooling. This option lets you give a design into the leather and before you dye and stitch it. You'll have your choice between 4 different templates to use. If you enjoy hands-on detail work and want more texture and character in the finished team, this is a great fit. Third is the initials stamp kit. The initial stamp kit includes everything in the core build kit and adds an alphabet stamp set. This allows you to stamp in your initials, names, short word or phrase into the leather. It's a strong choice for gifts. It's a strong choice for creating a personalized keepsake. And if you've never stamped leather before, the tutorial walks you through with everything that you need and has you set up alignment and all the proper techniques. Finally, there's the Mastercraft kit. The Mastercraft kit includes everything from the carved design kit and the alphabet stamp kit. This option gives you the full experience, tooling, stamping, dyeing, and stitching all in one project. If you want the most flexibility and the highest level of customization, this is the complete kit. Here's the perfect way to choose. If you want the core project, go with the core build kit. If you want to create a design in the leather, choose the carved design kit. If you're looking to add initials or names or some kind of phrases, choose the initials stamp kit. And finally, if you want everything, choose the Mastercraft kit. Full tutorials for each option are linked in this listing. And if you have any questions before ordering, send me a message on Etsy. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching.